What's going on everybody, welcome to the Data Studios. Today I will show you how to highlight your mouse cursor. So first of all you have to choose a browser. It can be Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome or Firefox. So I'm selecting Google Chrome. Then you have to go to our website called Real World Graphics. The link of this website is in the description of this video I have added, and also check in this comment section I have pinned the link. Now go to the search bar and search for cursor highlight. Once it comes up, I see a whole bunch of options here. I'm going to go ahead and order this by downloads. Then you can see a whole bunch of cursors that halos around them. I can choose my color, whether I want to go with blue or yellow color. You could even get a set of cursors. Now I'm going to go ahead and download this yellow highlight cursor. After clicking on it, this brings to me to the download page. Let me clear you one thing, there is no risk to download this type of file .cur for your computer, so don't worry about downloading. Here is the file. You can see for downloading only 4.2 kilobytes. So let's go ahead and download this file. Now go to your download folder and you will see the file. Here you can see this downloaded file is located in the download folder. Now you have to change this file's location from download folder to cursor folder. What I'm going to do is press Ctrl X, or I could also right click of mouse, and then I'm going to go down to cut. After that I'm going to click on my C drive, and then I'm going to click on my Windows folder, and within Windows there's have another subfolder named cursors. Click on that and you will see all of your cursors file that you have on your computer. Now I'm going to go ahead and right click on mouse, and I'm going to paste my new cursor file in there. After that you have to click on continue. After pasting the file, you can see that I have a new file in the cursor folder. Now in taskbar, go to the search box and type mouse settings. Then click the enter on keyboard. Now you have to click on additional mouse options and then click on pointer. Now you can see I have normal select highlighted. This is my standard mouse cursor. I'm going to go to browse, and within browse, now I want to browse to the new file that I just downloaded and added. Now I'm going to click on open. One of the things you will see now is it has my mouse cursor with the halo around it as the normal select icon or the cursor. Now I could go ahead and let me click on save as for saving this scheme. Now I'm simply going to call this cursors highlight and click on OK. If I ever want to get rid of my cursors highlight, I simply click on a scheme and I can go down to click on none, and that will restore the default again. Now click on again scheme and go to the cursors highlight. Now for applying this highlight, click on apply and then OK. Here you can see right now my mouse cursor is highlighted in yellow color. So that's it for today guys. In that way you can highlight your mouse cursor. I hope that you like this video, so leave a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or confusion then you can comment in the comment section. We will reply each and every comment you leave. So stay tuned with Data and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Ta-da!